Hi, it's Habiba from Craftify My Love and welcome to today's video. We will be making this sweet A-line or pillow cover dress for your little girl this summer. You won't have to download a pattern because you can simply make it your own with a undershirt that fits your little girl. Fold it in half, fold the sleeves downwards and then place it 5 centimeters or 2 inches away from the edge of your paper and trace the outlines, and then you will make it as long as you want it. Like, you could even make a top out of it, or you make a dress, a short one or a long one. Then you cut out your pattern and voila! You're ready to prep the fabric. Fold the fabric in half, clip the pattern to the fold side and add a seam allowance of 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter, and then you will cut it out. I like working with a rotary cutter, but you could also use some fabric scissors. Eventually you will need 2 of these parts. The one we're cutting out right now is the front, and the other one is the back of the dress. Place the 2 pieces right side facing together on top of each other and clip the sides together. I like working with these clips because it's faster than using pins. And then you're using a very long and very thin zigzag stitch if you are using an elastic fabric like I am for the sides, and you sew the sides shut. You'll do this so when your little girl puts on the dress or puts it off, the sides won't rip. I didn't work very evenly, so I had to clean the edges. I cut the fabric and then I worked up and down with a zigzag stitch so the fabric won't fringe. I think that's the word, fringe. Yeah. There you can see it. The almost straight zigzag and then the real zigzag on the sides. Now for the arms, for the under the arms part, fold your fabric twice and clip it again to fix it. And then you'll use a straight stitch to sew that seam. Don't forget to go back and forth in the beginning to seal the seam. And then I think we're about ready to make the finishing touches on the top part of the dress. Didn't work very evenly, but that's okay. You will want to zigzag the cutting edge on the top first, so your fabric won't fringe. Can you see that here? And then you fold it maybe 1 inch wide, and then you use a straight stitch and create a tunnel. This is the tunnel where the straps will go through later on. And you will repeat that on both sides, the front and the back of the dress. And then this is the last thing we're going to sew. This is the seam on the bottom part of the dress. I like to fold it in twice and clip it together. Probably each fold is 1/2 inch, and again I'm using a straight stitch because there doesn't need to be any stretching here, and I will sew around the dress, and so will you. And this here is the best ever tool invented. It's a loop turner, and you can grab the ribbon and easily pull it through. Now if you don't have that, you can use a safety pin, but it's so worth investing in that. I think it's not even $5. If you want the dress to have just one bow, you'll loop the ribbon through the front and the back. If you want 2 bows, one on each shoulder, then you use 2 ribbons. And then you could cut pointy edges and use a lighter to seal the ribbon so it won't fringe. And that's basically it. The dress is done. I hope you like this tutorial. Look how pretty my little girl looks. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to watch some more of my fun and creative videos because you'll enjoy it. Happy crafting! Bye bye!